All right, let's test this thing here. Let me verify this. All right. Hello, hello, hello. Testing 1 2 1 2. If you guys can hear me, you guys can tap in the chat. I hope the music is not so loud. Sure. Should be good. What's going on, Paul? Let's start. I have a couple of questions from yesterday, so we're gonna go over very basic. Let me get this settled. Let me know if the music is not too loud. I don't wanna be fighting over the music. If not, I'll just turn it off. But if you don't bother, I'll leave it on. I think that should be good there, right? Wait, Punk! Thank you for the tip, man. Thank you so much. All right, let's get started. Let's let me get this chat here. Buena, que es la que hay. Saludo. I'm gonna be switching back and forth. I have some of my audience, they speak Spanish. So I'm probably gonna be switching back and forth. Anyways, I have the server already started from since the other day when my last live that we had that issue with 5M, that 5M have issues with the server. But it's already started. Let me go ahead and get that PS admin up right here. I have a couple of questions that on the Discord. Let me go ahead and check it out. So yeah, let me go ahead and go back to the build right here. This is the latest build, the 6.5. There's some changes, I think, on the Discord. There's an announcement. Let me go ahead and for those that don't know, right here there's a there is a police script change. We'll go ahead. I have not done anything to this build, so whatever you guys get is what I have here. So if you guys have any questions, any problems, any issues, we should be able to see it. Yesterday, the other day when we did the live, I think somebody had issues. Probably was the database. What we'll be talking about. You guys need to make sure that the database name is the same as in the server CFG. Let me go ahead and let me check the DM. Somebody sent me a DM asking me for some things. Let me see. All right, I believe was where you guys change the starting cash. I think that's one of the questions. Oh, let me go ahead and do that. This is pretty easy for if you know, when somebody create their user, you get like a starting cash either in cash or in your bank. In order to change that, that will be, let me go and change this because I was working with a different build. Well, I'm working on that Q core build also. That's a totally new framework. I've been thinking we're tweaking it out and see what works and what doesn't. Okay, there you go. Now more than likely. All right, so for you guys change the starting cache, that will be in your essential mode, and you're gonna go on your config. Oh, not there, my bad. I'm a little bit off track right now. Where is the yes? We on TRP, right? Yeah. Okay. So on the TPRP underscore base, this is like the EX extended. The paycheck interval. This is where you change it. You only change this. You leave this here. This is like a minute. So right now, my server, I have it like every 20 minutes you get a paycheck. It's that paycheck that when you're in the game, it like pop up right here that you got paid. This is where you change that. It's in the TPRP underscore base. That is where you change your check interval, however you want to do that. Now the starting. Now money is, because I don't remember. There's a long time I have not changed it, but that's normally how I look for stuff. I use VS Code, and there you go. Here, essential mode. Okay, so let me go back here. Oh, it's gonna be here in util.lua. Okay, so it is in the essential mode. That's where actually I was before. The difference is when you go in, it's gonna be on your admin. Let me do it from here so it's easier to see. There you go, from here. All right, so you guys gonna, from your whatever name is your build, right? You're gonna go on resources. Then you're gonna go on admin. Okay. And then you're gonna find essential mode. This is where you're gonna change your starting cache. In your essential mode, you're gonna go on client. No, not client, server. My bad. You're gonna go on server. All right, you're gonna go on server, and you're gonna do this file, the util.lua. Util, like utility. Util.lua. And in there, this is where you're gonna see this. Let me go back in VS Code and do here. Okay, this is what you're going to see. Can I zoom in this? Let me see. I need to find something to like zoom in for you guys get to see it better. All right. In that file, in the essential mode script, in that file, you're gonna get to see these global variables right here. So where it says starting cache, here, this is where you're going to change it. This is the number. Right now is set up at 10,000. So if you guys want to change to whatever, 6,000, 5,000, $100 or whatever, you guys go ahead and put that there. So I put like 20,000 here, and then this is your cash. This is how much cash they're going to have, and the bank, starting bank, this is how much they're going to get in their bank. This is only when you first create your user. This is for your starting players. So I'll say 40,000. So right now, as I have it set up, 20,000 cash and 40,000 in the bank. Total amount will be 60,000. Okay, you split it however you guys want it with these two variables. That's all. Once you got that, save the file and restart the server. All right, that's all. Pretty simple, right? Essential mode. Go on your server folder and then find utility.lua, the util.lua. You're gonna do starting cache and starting bank. All right. Let me see what else. I had a. Oh, let me see what was the other question that I got asked. All right. The other, okay, I got that. Starting cache. All right. Talking about, okay, you're talking about craft and then the HUD. Okay. So let me verify here. Tengo una duda. En el sistema de casas, por ejemplo, las casas que no tienen el interior MLO, tienes que darle un propiedad. Dos opciones. Las otras están deshabilitadas. What is the script that show recent calls? That recent calls is, I mean, like the alerts. Are you talking about the alerts? I think that's the betrayed entornos. That is custom resources, and I think it's custom or miscellaneous. Custom. Yeah, it's a betray entornos. Okay, lo de las casas. All right, let me go ahead. Let me go and log in on the server, and then we'll go over that on that housing script, because they change it, so it's a different one now. Let me see here. Let me go. Thing is in housing. Okay. Oh, okay, right here, the MLOs. So lo único que tienes que hacer es habilitarlos, pero es que tienes que tener esos archivos. Ok. So, no sé si estos están. Eso lo vamos a ver ya mismo. What is, oh, if you hit F3, pull up the recent calls. Oh, okay, yes, that's the betray and turnos. Yes. That's for the police and the EMS and mechanic, right? There you go. You're talking about this one. Head job 1 police. Or so it is this one. Yeah, this one, that alert, that's the one that is that's betray and turnos. This one, it's on betray and turnos is in your on custom resources, and then go custom. And you're gonna get to see here, betrayed and turnos. That's the one that do these recent calls. All right. Okay, so where I can find the server CFG. Change. Servers, so the server CFG is in the main resource folder. So, where is my build? Oh, here. That will be in your main folder. It's gonna be called server CFG. On your main folder. And then, like for change, oh, if you're talking about to change the numbers, the amount of players, you're going to look for the XB Max client right here. This is where you change to whatever. Remember, if you pass 32 players, you need to be a Patreon member within the 5M. Okay, so yes, I'll give it to you, Vilmari. I'll install it maybe either today or tomorrow. It's all yours. Okay, okay, vamos a bregar con lo de las casas. Got it. P3, ok. Ahora con las casas. Ok, ya hay unas casas aquí ya. Aquí no hay nada, ¿verdad? Este me lo... Oh, espérate, pero... Oh, tú estás hablando de los mapeos regulares, ¿verdad? Ok, este es el mapeo como tal. Tú quieres las regulares, ¿verdad? Voy a buscar una casa por ahí. Vámonos para acá. Una casa de estas de por acá. Me tengo que poner como Job One Real Estate 0, right? 0 or 1. Let me see. A ver cuál es el... A ver. ¿Quién es el que puede crear las casas? Let me see who can create the houses. In mine I have it set up for a real estate job, but okay. I think all these props here need to be updated too. I have a whole bunch. Can give it to you guys if anything. Come on. There you go. Okay. Markers. ¿Dónde es que está lo del trabajo? There you go. Ah, mira. Police puede crear casa. Okay. So, okay, if you guys want to have like a special like job for create houses, this is where you change it. All right. If you have like a specific person, then you put like the Steam ID here. Right now, police is the one that can create houses and sell them. I had like a real estate, but for now, just for the tutorial, I'm just gonna leave it at police. So I'm just gonna have me as police. Good job. There you go. My police now. All right, so now I can create houses. Let's go and get this one right here. Vamos a pegarla aquí. Oh, sí, sí. Create house. Esto es trailer Sandy. Ahí está, eso es todo. Ok, esto no es un MLO, so it's only Lester and low, right? So let me go ahead and cancel that. We already know that those work. Let me get the trailer. I think trailer should be in here. So take that, take that, take that. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna enable them all. All right. There you go. I don't think that player house tier 1 is available, but I think all these ones, I think these ones they do. I think. Let me double check. We'll see. Está bien el problema, mamita. All right. So I think I have to restart the server for that, so I'm just gonna quit because this one talk to the database. So let me go ahead and restart the server. And let me go here, maps. All right, well, because probably these ones, because I think some of these ones are from Bob or the 5M IPL. So I think we might be able. LSP loader. Is it this one? No, this is the MRPD stuff. As a matter of fact, this should even, this right here shouldn't even be here. So I'm gonna start cleaning out a lot of the stuff too, because it's stuff that I'll, you guys get to see of what I do with my server. As a matter of fact, one of the players from my server is here. She's here. All right, let's do 5M again. Let's go and start it again. right, let's go again right here. I need to
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
And then, all right, let's check. Epa, ¿qué pasa? Ayong is one of my admins and server owner. For our server. All right. So let me go here. So let's try. Create house. Oh, yeah, I know. Got it. It was showing me as probably as off duty. Create house. Trailer park. Sandy, there you go. Let's see. Trailer house price $1. Price parking, there you go. 10. It is? What is that? It is. I don't know. Anyways, it doesn't let me see it. Let's buy it first. I just want to see if... Okay. Why is... It's weird. I have not played with this one. This one is a little bit different than the Super S housing. Fuck. Enter. Oh, okay. I got... ¿En serio? ¿Cómo que? Yeah. I see it already open. Locked door. Locked. Not decorated. Yeah, was not found furnished. Yeah, I know. This one is kind of weird. Let me enter. Okay. Let's get this other one then. So esto es lo que tú querías decir. Esto es lo que tú dices que no funcionan. Ok, vamos a crear esta también. Create house. All right, let me see. what's the one available? The 16 low. All right, let's shoot this one. House price 1. 5. There you go. Okay. Fine. Auto decorated. Sure, why not? Oh, I don't have money. I don't have nothing. Llegaste los chavos. Okay, unlock. Enter. Okay, got it. Estamos. Okay, so. Okay, so. Esta que está aquí. Alright, so. Lo arreglamos rápido. So Michael, todas estas no están, ok. Tú tienes el... Lo que pasa es que ellos todavía están probando, so estoy seguro que es que ellos no... Estoy casi seguro que ellos no añadieron los MLOs. ¿Cómo es? No añadieron los mapeos esos ahí. Si tú tienes el build anterior, puedes entonces subir esos mapeos. O los puedes conseguir por ahí, si se consigue. Se consigue por ahí. Inclusive, yo creo, déjame ver, server data, resources, access. Creo que eso lo podemos encontrar en Pop IPL, yo creo que es. Este es mi build viejo. ¿Ves? Si tú tienes si tú tienes el build viejo. Oh, ok, got it. Ok, fácil, mira. So, si los tienes, posiblemente van a estar en tu housing file. Ahí van a estar, ¿ves? Aquí donde está housing shells. Aquí están, mira, aquí están los diferentes housing shells que te trae allá, igual que el housing, si no me equivoco, de mí sí. No. El que dice housing shells. Ahí, por lo menos aquí están los que yo tengo. So, el que tiene, por ejemplo, el trailer. Eso tú lo subes en el folder de mapas o donde quieras subirlo. Déjame. Déjame entrar acá. O lo puedes dejar en el mismo folder de housing. Let me go. No. Housing. Ok. ¿Cuál fue el que pusimos? El trailer, ¿verdad? Yeah. Let me see. Where is trailer? Housing shells. Oh, míralo aquí, ¿ves? Míralo. Míralo aquí. So, that one, sí. Oh, míralo aquí, ¿ves? El que dice housing shells. Míralo aquí, ¿ves? El que dice housing shell es el que tiene el 16, el ranch, Lester. Ok, so está el shell. Ok, está el Lester. Mira, mira aquí, Lester. Aquí está Lester. Ranch. Right here. Trailer. Here. Trevor. Ok, so, mira. Aquí tú puedes inclusive añadir, ¿sabes? Ok. Tú puedes coger el nombre. Por ejemplo, te copias uno de estos y buscas un espacio abajo, debajo del mapa donde los puedes poner. Vamos a... Anyways. Vamos a subir este. Ok. What's up? Acción. Okay, so let me go ahead and get that and take it to the other side. All right. So right now I'm adding maps for the housing script from the previous build. If you just bought the build, the 6.5, you're probably not going to have the maps. I'll double check. Let me double check because probably it's just not turned on. So let's go ahead and verify that. Housing. Okay, maps. Okay, so we got here, we have, oh, it has some. Oh, this is the one. Okay, this is the housings from there. Okay, this is the MLOs itself. Yeah. Okay. And small. This is growth tree. Okay. Okay, so los puedes poner aquí en housing. Y aquí dentro de maps. Esto tiene maps. Stream. There you go. Oh, mira. You have a few options. So, puedes coger estos de aquí. Ahora mismo tiene ya tiene el Estel. Y tiene el 16 low. So, podemos añadir esto para acá. Ok, so podemos añadir el mid. Este lo podemos añadir. Trevor, podemos añadir Trevor. Ranch. High end. Ok, no tenemos high end en estos momentos. So este lo voy a pagar por el momento. so I can keep track. Okay, high-end version 2, there's none also, so I'm gonna turn it off. Michael, no tengo Michael aquí. Nope, there's no Michael. Apartment 1, 2, 3, there's none of them. Okay, got it. Okay, so tenemos Lester, trailer, got it. Alright, so let me save. Again, como son mapeos, let me go out. Let's restart. Eso yo no voy a hablar con eso todavía porque ahora mismo hay un script nuevo de casa. Que es el que estoy trabajando ahora mismo. There you go. Let me go ahead. Log in. ¿Viste cómo se hace, verdad? Lo que tienes que hacer es subir los mapas. Por ejemplo, yo lo que hice fue que los puse ya en el folder de housing, del script de housing como tal, en el folder de stream. Y lo puse ahí. Ya que está llamando, ¿verdad? Este folder ya lo está llamando, yo los pasé ahí en vez de coger um, y crear como que uno nuevo o algo. Crear otro resource adicional dentro del server CFG para el mapa. Alright, so let me go in. Ah! Gator. Let me log in again. Close this. Fivem. As soon as I saw that error, I knew. Sometimes it don't connect. There you go. Let's go. Let's do this.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
Eso sube. So, aquí le pone si quieres añadir más. If you want to add like more maps, you're gonna add them here. And then you gotta give them the like a coordinate. Normally, this will be under the map. So you have to kind of like how to say it, guesstimate where you don't give issues, and you bregando con un build de 5M donde yo soy mod y helping the guys that have issues with their builds. Mira, todavía estoy como... Vamos. Ay, que no me muerde el perro. This was the other one. Vamos a ver. Vamos a ver. I'm not getting connected. Vamos a darle otro restart por si acaso. Oh, se acabó. Find music. There you go. All right, let's see. Is it on? No. Hombre, quesito. Okay, let's go and double check. Everything is logged in. All right. Let me double check, make sure that my user is working right now. Oh, one thing. For some of the players that might have issues with their inventory, that you guys cannot do like nothing with it, like cannot open it. And you guys go ahead, and the way I fix it is you find a user, copy their Steam ID, and then you go into the disk inventory, find that user with their Steam ID. Seems is oh, because probably I don't have like anything yet. That's probably why. So basically what you do is just find the Steam ID. When you find it, if he has something else that, oh, see, like here, if he has like these brackets, you put this one, the more square one. Just double click in there and change it for that, and that's it, and have that player go into the game again. Right now I think mine have not been created yet, because I think I don't have like anything, because that first day we created, and that was about it. We didn't do anything with it, so probably that's why. There you go. Here. No se me escucha el intro, el celular.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
Tienes que asegurarte que maches que maches los sonidos. Si tú tienes voice mod, probablemente esto es el voice mod. Tienes que asegurarte que lo mismo, sound settings. Tienes que asegurarte que el output device de aquí mache. Ahora mismo yo lo tengo en mis headphones. Y este es mi micrófono, el input. Esto tiene que matchar lo que esté dentro del juego. Y si tienes voice mod, probablemente ese sea tu problema. Deshabilita el voice mod. Ese voice mod lo que da es problema. I don't like it at all. There you go. More than like it. Okay, I think this is the one that we created. So let me go ahead and enter. Actually, oh, I had to like unlock it, right? Unlock. Let me see. Oh, let me remove this one and recreate it again. There you go. Ahora vamos a crearlo otra vez. Hombre, no. Es que yo no me he creado como admin todavía aquí. Bueno, como super admin. Anyways. Great house. Let's get a different one. There you go. Trailer. The one we just added, right? We did add it, right? Now I'm doubting myself. Oh, we didn't do trailer? Okay, Lester, Branch, Trailer, Trevor. Oh, so por eso fue. Okay. Lester, Trailer. $16 mid, 16 low. Trevor, Branch. There you go. Now we're talking. Si te metes a otro server y lo escuchas, ahí de verdad que no sé decirte, habría que verificar. Pero el problema es que tiene 7 de audio. Alright. There you go. Ya lo añadí, era que no estaba, con razón. Era que no... Bueno, es que ya lo borré. Ok, ahora mismo no me deja entrar. Porque no está registrado. So, se supone que se registre ahora. So for those that only have 2 options, if you have a previous build, you just can go ahead, transfer over to the housing script, put it on the stream here, and then you go ahead and uncomment the ones that you have. All right. Did I restart it? Let me go ahead and do it again just in case. If you want to add a new one, like one that is not listed here, you just go ahead and all you have to do is copy paste, and then you're gonna change this name for the actual name of the YTD name, the JDR, my bad. It has to have the same name. So whatever the name is, that JDR, that's what you're gonna put here. And then you gotta give them a door vector, where's that door will be. And the size, depends how big it is. This is something that probably you have to like play with if it's one that is not already here. So that will be like, you know, trial and error kind of thing. So right now, once we restart, the trailer shell should be able to enter the house.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
So let's see, make sure that it works. And that way we are already going to know that the script itself, as far as mechanic, is working. If you only have like 2 maps, then you know it's only 2, but that will, you know, but at least the mechanic like wardrobe, garages, inventory, everything else should work. I should be. So that's the other part where we're gonna be going in and test, right? For those that are, there you go. Let's go log in. So the house is already being created. Let me go here. Now let's go enter. Not letting me. What? All right, let me go and delete this one. Did I add it again? I mean, did I actually restart it? I'm not even sure. I keep forgetting. All right, let me make sure that I'm adding it to the right place. Okay, trailer here, got it. And then trailer is right here. Shell trailer, got it. All right, so let me save this, and let me delete this house. There you go. Let me delete this house. Let me go to the other one. Make sure. Let me go here. This. Oh, what's the other one? Why did I? Oh, it was that one in the. Oh, it was. Ah, era esta de acá. Right? Whatever. Okay. Let me get out. Let me delete the server cache. That way I'll make sure that everything loads again. So Control Alt Delete. All right. Let me delete that server cache. Let me close 5M. Perfect. Now we're gonna go and redo it again. Let me go ahead and double check the housing. Houses right here. Oh, there it is. Probably it's kind of like, there you go. Let me delete it. Force a delete from there. All right, there you go. All right. Give it a minute. Even if it take a little bit of time, just wait for that. There you go. Now it's ready. Now we can go ahead and hit that restart button. Gonna let it run. All right, remember, if you guys have any questions as far as the build stuff, just let me know. after the housing stuff, we're gonna be looking at the police script. I think there was a change. I'm not sure what it is yet, but I'm gonna see what it is. We're gonna test that the police script, and if there's anything, instead of me just replacing the script, we're gonna go ahead and go into the actual script and make changes into it, so you guys get to see what changed and how to change things. So the idea is that you guys learn how to maintain your own servers. 5M. At least that's my goal. That you guys get to learn how to maintain your own servers. I know it's, you know, it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, but it's worth it. At least for me, the learning experience is awesome.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
Let's see. Waiting to that to load. I just saw something in the forums about cars that had no sound. I'm gonna show you where you guys can see that. Go in. Okay, so there's a few houses around, I believe. I just saw the map, right? Yep. Okay. All right, let's create one here. Let me set. All right. Let's go ahead and here. Create house. A little bit different than the one I have, so that's why, you know, I'm struggle sometimes too. Let's do trailer. Trailer park. Here you go. Also fancy. Let's do trailer. There you go. Sell it for $1. Land size for parking. 10. There you go. All right, so I will buy it. Buy it with previous furniture, own furniture. No, I don't want furniture. Unlock, right? Because I gotta do that first before to enter the house. Why is no entering? All right, there's something else that's missing, so let's see. This is what I like. Troubleshoot. Okay, let me try to I'm gonna try to see if it's even in here. Oh, forgot. That means it's no loading. Okay. Even though that I put it here, it didn't load. Oh, oops. The heck? Oh, no, 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 no. You don't want to do that. Okay. Ok, trailer se va. Range se va. I know, I messed it up. Si se me cae el live, porque se cayó el live. No sé si está live o no. Sure, just go ahead, man. You can ask. All right, Trevor. It was only the first two, right? Lester and Trevor. That was no. Dilo and Lester. Okay, so this one mid, I'll take it out. It was Hello and Lester. There's not even Trevor was here. There you go. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna actually add it in here because that's probably what happened. It wasn't loading. If I would have TP to it, that trailer should be there. So I'm gonna go here, housing, gonna go here, gonna go shells, and is this one. I'm just gonna add this one for now. That'd be it. And just to make sure that I don't have no issues with textures, I know if you see there's Lester here and Lester here, so I can either erase it from here or delete this one or move this one this way. They both have it. So let me go ahead and look for this file view X. Oh, this. There you go. Show map. Show props. Okay, perfect. And good, perfect. Y el otro. And then the other one. What the other one has? Let me see. So resources, housing. Right here, string. Edit. JK map, JK props. Perfect. Okay. Perfecto. Okay, so what we're going to do is, since it's already here, I'm going to take this one out. And then Lester. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this one. Oh, this one is already here too. Shell low, see? So I'm just gonna, and I'll leave this here. Yeah. And now I'm gonna go here on maps. Try to keep it, you know, organized. I'm gonna get this housing shells. Gonna copy it, right click, paste it. And then I'm gonna right click, rename, copy. And I'm gonna go onto the on that server CFG. Let me look for it. Is it? And then there it is. There is a housing here just to make it organized. I'm just gonna come here. Ensure to start the maps, housing shells. And then we're gonna save that. And now we can go ahead again and go into your and restart. We just wait. All right, close this, and wait until you load. All right, what is your question, Eon? Yeah, just yeah, let me know what it is, and we'll check. Okay, we just wait. Localhost, go login.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
Oh, what is stop chat? Let me put this in live chat. There you go. That way I can get everything. Sometimes I think like I'm like my stream kind of like drop or something, and right, select. Woo. And with that, oh damn, I'm kind of like I did like a rollback. How do I do disable the death animation? Have a script. Oh, you had that body drag script. It is in the I know it is in the ambulance job script.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
So what it is just that I haven't tweaked that. But I have a different script that it'll stay like actually with no health. Actually death, not alive, because what it is just automatically regenerate your health. So you technically, there's an animation just keep you down until you get that revive so you can stand up. But it's an animation. All you have to do just look for that animation lay back or something. We'll look at it and I'll tell you where you can look and modify and tweak. I haven't done that because I'm using it like that because right now I am okay. So probably I'm going to need to erase the cache again. All right. So let me control. So let me delete this. Let me restart the server, and I'll show you where you can look for. There's like 2-3 functions that talk about the health and the animation when he's on the ground. If you pay attention and you look at it, the guy is still alive. He's just on the ground, and because you get to see have their eye opens and everything. You can even like and like sit up. All right, so what is that? It gets clear. Let me go ahead here. Let's go to all right, go on jobs. ambulance job, and I think is either the main or death. This is the spawn. Death status, and then there you go. Here, dead animations, the 209 right here. This is, there you go. This is all from on the main.lua on the ambulance job, from 209 to disable actions, dead animation, all this. See, all this, all the different, this is all the different function for the different animations. You got the dead timer here. This is the stress signal. And yeah, I think it's all that from the 200 to 300 lines. So I don't know if you just maybe a function that will keep you down, like, and you need to look for the generate health. Let me see the health. Oh, here, see, you got that trigger event heal. See, so you gotta play with that, with the heal health. This. This is all your functions there for that. I don't think health. All right, this is when you use the kits. See, when you use the med kits and stuff. Generate, let me see, generate health. Oh, see, depend what type of heal. So you gotta look for like those keywords: health, generate. There you go. See, generate. Oh, it's not that. Here, let me see. What about server? Hold on. Yeah, no, it's not server. Server is just the actual functions. More than likely it's gonna be on your main.lua. On 209. Did I say 209? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, see all your death animations right here. All this right here. Up to there. So you gotta kind of like tweak it out and find what works. I have not worked with that yet. I just had a different ambulance script for that. All right, now is empty. Let me go ahead and reset it. The problem with that other script that I have is that it's not taking when people are actually dead. The system tells you that it took out all the weapons, but in reality, when you look at your inventory, you still have them. What's going on, medics? Got a question. We move to go without logging. I can't move my house. You can move. You cannot move your mouse like where? Like at the loading screen. Like what do you mean? I kind of lost you on that one. All right, is on. Let's go ahead and log in.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
Like you mean here? Just hit F8 and look if there's any errors. I mean, I kind of not sure what you asking. There you go. Like here? Like it don't let you move the mouse? Do you have like a controller connected or something? There you go. Interesting. Heck? I have two. There you go. Let's go back here. I don't know why I even did that big of a roll back. That's so weird. Which house I build? I'm not even sure. Oh, there you go. I was about to ask, like, where's my map? Look at that pretty doggy right there. I hope he don't bite me. Okay. All right, let's go. All right, so enter. There you go. See? So now it's working. So that was the problem. It wasn't loading. Store equipment. I don't have nothing right now. So let me go ahead and buy a few stuff. Let's go ahead and try it. Did I even have money? All right, look at that. Oh, now 9,000. Okay, got it. Like, all right, let's go. Just go ahead and buy something with it. Oh, you're the one that has those weird squares on the top. Hey, working? Did I put it on? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, the attachment's working. Anyways, let's go ahead. Let's go to the house. I'll have to look at that video, because if you're not the one with that I was showing like some weird squares on the top, I'm not sure which one you're talking about. Then I think I have not seen it, or I don't remember. There you go. Put one there. Yeah. And it's working. Perfect. Let's move that. Let's move that inventory over here. Hold on. Uh, set storage. Here, there you go. I'll put the wardrobe here. I think I had to get out and come back in. Yeah, send me a message and I'll read it and we'll go from there. There you go, see? Cache and storage. Why this one stay here? Weird. Okay. Oh, I know. Because I think it's a set stash, not it's a set stash, not the other one. There you go. It's set stash, I think. More than like it. I think so. I think that's what it is. Let me leave. Rain, what's going on, bro? Let me see which support. Let me see which support room you're in, because I'm not sure right now. So here, let me verify. I'm not sure which support, because I'm not sure if they even. I think I see you writing. There you go. Here. I just DM you. If I DM the right person. If I DM the right person. It looks to have your the same icon. Oh, see? Okay, got it. So this is the stash. Oh, perfect. So you okay, store money. Oh, right. Okay. So for those people that are on the new housing script from 5MServers, set stash is the one to store your money. See, dirty cash or clean cash. I don't have no dirty cash. See, it's working right there. And the set storage is your inventory. Okay. So this is where you store your weapons and items. So it's working as it should be. The maps, we need to have maps. I gotta check on the wardrobe. I think the wardrobe is not working. It is because you need to have that ESX property script. So we're gonna go ahead and look for that too. That way you guys know how to fix that. All right, just my understanding, I think that's what it is. He just doesn't know it's looking for that property tables. Everything's going good, man. You know, teaching some people how to maintain the build from the 5MServers. All right, let me double check this real quick. Let me check on something right quick. Oh yeah, I see that you're logging. I see the login screen. Uh-huh. But it was moving. So it was moving and then stopped. So it's so it's doing that weird thing. That's what it is. And the only error that I saw, oh, so it started kind of like flickering. Do you have any do you have any do you have like any script that you have modified? Because right now this one is the one that I'm using right now. This is the 6.5 straight out of the zip folder. The only thing I just have added right now is the map for the trailers and stuff. And you don't have no controller like connected to it that might be having some conflict? The V menu, the flickering on the V menu, that's your weather. I will actually have to look at that. I actually will have to look into that. I don't know if it might be a driver. Is it with every player? Like every other, like all the people that try to log in? Or it's just you? If it's just you, If it's just you, then it's just like an isolated issue then. But now that Nate mentioned about B menu, and I know a lot of people like to use B menu. I use B menu. Turn off what? The V menu? Like now I lost you on that one. All right, so right now I don't have any V menu. I just have that regular admin. I don't even like super admin here. So let me like right now it's not even letting me did it let me TP now and stuff? Yeah, let me TP to it. All right. So let's go ahead and work V menu, because I'm gonna show you a lot of you guys that turn on V menu. So let me go ahead here. So let me go find it, because I think it's right here. V menu is turned off by default. So the Nate, the flickering that you're talking about is the one when you log in and everything starts like flickering the screen, right? Yeah, just have somebody else that connect to see if it's you or maybe everybody, because if it's everybody, then it's probably something within the server. But if it's just you and somebody else is fine, then it might be just your computer, a driver, or some setting or something that is trying to make a change. For the B menu, Nate, are you talking about the flickering when you add it, right? Let me go ahead and first I'm gonna add V menu, because right now I don't have B menu installed. So let me go ahead and add it. So in order to add it, just ensure B menu. The only thing I'm just doing right now is adding that resource. It's already in the admin folder. Okay, so let's go ahead and okay, so right now when I log in, when I restart the server, you're gonna get to see the flickering issue, and I'll show you how to fix it. All right, because you have two options, or you have two ways on how to fix it. It will depend which way you want to go. So right now, let me go ahead and restart the server. All right, let's go ahead and restart the server. So you'll take the V menu right now as it is. I have not made any changes, because we have to make some changes in order to make it work the way it should be. And if you want only the admin have access to it, okay? Otherwise, if you just start it, everybody will have access to the V menu, and you don't wanna have that. So let's go ahead and log in. How do you put the name of the server, a large part and a small part? Are you talking about on the presentation screen, or when you first see it? Let me log in, and then you told me about it, and now I will show you what to change. All right.
Welcome to 5MServers.
Because right now this one is still stuck. I have not made any changes. The only thing was earlier was add maps to the housing script, because right now the housing script, it only has 2 maps activated. And I show where to go on the config file. And I added more, but it's because I have these maps. If you bought the server a while back, you should have these other maps. And I already show how to install them. And then you just enable it here. And then if you want to add more, I already explained how to get the name of the JDR, add it here, and then put some coordinates wherever you want that place to be under the map, because those are maps. So, Uba, ¿qué es la que hay? So you're talking about change these names. That right here. This is the one you're talking about? Yeah, we can do that. This is on the menu character menu script. All right, so let's go ahead, log in. Right now I already see the V menu activated. All right, so right now if I hit F2, you see that I kind of disappear, because right now by default F2 is the no clip for the V menu. All right, and right now as I'm talking, the mumble and the voice channel for the menu is activated too. If I hit M, this is your V menu. Let me see, do this one has everything, or it don't tell me it took out the did it took my old settings? Really? Yeah. Okay. All right, let's go fix it. All right, so did I already fix it? That's why. Hold on. Weather. See. All right. Let me go ahead and let me make it flickering. Punk rock. What's going on? All right, so let me go ahead and let me replicate the problem. Let me close and let me go ahead and replicate that. All right. Let me make sure that is looking at the right. So in order for the B menu to work the way it should be, you need to go here and then you're gonna find your permissions.cfg. You need to copy this whatever address, whatever place that permission CFG it is. All right, you guys need to do that. If you guys don't do that, and if you guys don't add it to the server CFG, every single person will have access to that menu, unless you're doing like a free roam server. I don't advise you to have that V menu anybody with access, because they can't even ban people and everything. It is a really powerful menu. So let me go ahead and find my server CFG. All right, So let me go ahead and let me find permission. Is not this one. All right. Let me see. Let me go ahead and find something else that I need. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Permis. All right. So what we need to do is we're gonna go ahead and here we're gonna do exec and you're gonna paste whatever location of that permission CFG is. All right. You're gonna execute it. All right, you're gonna save. And now you have to delete the folder cache. Control all. If you have hypnomena, that video, that script let you create videos. If you have that and you have like screens and TVs and stuff already set up, when you try to delete the cache, that's the only one that you don't want to delete, because otherwise you're gonna end up like redoing every single screen again. Right? If you don't have it, just right now, I don't have it even set up. I haven't even talked about hypnomena yet, so I just go ahead and delete them all. As you get stuff, as you get adding, you know, custom script to your build, and there's a few scripts that you cannot, like, it has like settings, like specific settings for it, and you don't want to lose those settings, then don't delete the cache here. Or if you're working with a specific script, when you go on the cache folder, just go ahead and delete that particular one. All right. I hope I didn't lose you on that one. So let's wait, and then we go ahead, do a restart, bring it up, and see if the V menu is going to be actually again reading the permissions. Right now it's not reading any permissions, so it's just turned on, no permissions yet. Once it reads the permissions, I'm pretty sure it's going to have that flickering effect, which is caused by the vsync and the weather sync in V menu. So what it's doing is they fighting each other for which weather script is going to use. So as long as you turn off, like if you have the V menu controlling the weather, as you turn off the vsync, then the flickering will stop. Yeah, thank you. I'm just trying to help. You know, like I said, it's just, you know, I want people to learn how to maintain their own server, because I was at one point in their shoes. I just want to, you know, share my stuff. All right, let's go ahead and restart. Yeah, it does. It use a lot of resources. The more people you have, the more resources will pull. right now in my server, the way I have it, because it's pretty much well optimized, and I don't have that many. I have about, I don't know, like 60 players. I had a 1.90, but right now mainly it's like 55, 64 players. Having the V menu is not a big deal. So, and all my admins are used to V menu. One time I tried to take it out, and they even did like a strike in the server. Have all the players stop role playing and start doing a protest at Legion Square with music and everything, because they want the admins to have their V menu back. It was funny. All right, so let's go ahead and log in. Oh no, I use it for spawn, I use it for pets, I use it for a whole bunch of stuff. That's why I use vmenu, because we use it for like a lot of stuff. We actually like ban people from there. Like I have another,
Welcome to
I have
I
have another menu, but that one it has like it has like an anti-cheat integrated to it, and but it has like a lot of like events that is causing a lot of my players get banned, so I had to turn it off. And then I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'll use vmenu still. I think it's because I'm so used to, that's why, you know, we keep it, but I'm trying to find a way how to get rid of it. There you go. So there you go, now it's reading. So now we get that flickering effect because it's fighting over the vsync. Okay, so here it is. There's the flickering effect, right? The one that Nate was talking about. That is because vmenu is fighting over that vsync. So let's see, if I wanted to use the weather option here, see this one, like if I stop it, if I want to use this one, then all I have to do, right, is let me go into here. So check this out. So right now you guys get to see that flickering still, right? So let's say that you want to use that V menu for change weather because it has that nice cycle through. There you go. I'm gonna start the vsync. All right, I already started the vsync. Flickering is gone. So now, you know, when you do overcast, you'll have that nice transition. It doesn't just go blast. All right, now if you want to use vsync, I mean, if you want to use vsync, because the vsync helps with the vsync help with the interior houses, especially the one that are under the map. Then what you do, you go on the folder permissions, look for the V menu. Like right now, I don't want to use that V menu voice either. You see though it says currently talking. I'm gonna disable that too. And I want to automatically have my admins only have access to the V menu when they turn it on. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna find weather, not this one, because this one is the actual I'm gonna find here where it says weather sync. I'm gonna turn it off. Balls, everything that has to do with weather and time. Enable time sync, false. There you go. I think that's all. That is all. All right. Yep, that's it. And then if you don't want like nobody to even see the option of the weather, just put a hashtag in there and here. Just hashtag them all. That's what I'm going to do with voice. So I'm gonna look for voice. See, I don't want to use this at all. Like, I don't even want this. I don't want B menu thinker with the thinker with mumble or any voice within the server. So we'll just turn that off. There you go. Okay. Then here, set vMenu permissions to true, staff to true. And then only as long you have the admins created in the server CFG with their license or the Steam ID, only admins will have access to the vMenu. Or if you have moderators, if you create ACE permissions with moderators, then you can do that too. See, with the ACE moderators. In here, all these ones right here, this is everything that you want to show in the menus. Cars, weapons, and all this stuff. So whatever you want to show, you take the hashtag out. If you want to them don't have the option, like for moderators, if you don't want them to, if you want them only to ban people and that's it, then whatever it says moderator, whatever it says moderator, if it like here they have actions to this, to like teleport. If you don't want them to teleport, just put a hashtag. All right, that's all. What it says everyone does mean everyone will have access, but because right now the menu staff is set to true, only the people that are in staff will be able to open the actual menu. Everybody else won't have. If you want to actually, like everyone, if you want to actually for sure that you don't want access to everyone, like nobody have access at all, even if they try to open the menu somehow, then you just go ahead and start hashtag everything. And if you want, and here instead of use everyone, you can use admin, and then only the admin are the one that will get that option. So you see this? Let me get a see ACE group admin. So instead build in everyone, then you just change whatever menu you want to whatever group you want. If you want admin, then just change that to group admin. It's just a matter of like play with stuff. But like pretty much you can leave this by default, but just make sure that staff is turned on right here, and this one. Okay, here v menu toggle, this is where which key will activate the menu. Right now, if you leave it the way it is, when you hit M, it'll pop up the menu. In my server, I have, let me see what I have in my server. In my server, if I recall correctly, I have, right, yeah. So I do have 244, which is M. And the no clip toggle key, that shortcut, I have 83. Which is the plus sign on the keyboard. Which is the, actually, the equal sign. I mean, or the plus sign, whatever. It's that one that has the equal plus. So I'll change that to that. I'll change that to that. I turn off the weather sync on the V menu. I did that. Now, when I turn it off, when I restart, I should be able to not click on my equal sign, and then that talking bot on the top should be gone also, and the flickering should be gone with base sync. So if I go here, I shouldn't see that whether this work related options. I'm not gonna to be able to make any changes in here. So let me go ahead and get out, log out, and then let's go ahead and let me go ahead and make sure. I'll go on cache file. I only gonna delete that V menu because I only want, that's the only thing, you know. Oh, no, here. I'm just gonna delete that, that's all. There you go. Now go on here. No, not here. Here, restart, boom. We're just gonna let it run for now. But again, there's plenty other options for admin stuff. It's just I like vMenu, that's why I have vMenu. Some other people who use it also, that's why I'm showing you about that weather, how to fix that weather flickering thing. So I started fresh with the update and use the new database. I know the database is from the Fivem test servers. Yes, one of my admin created a user but can find him in the database. If he created the user and after he created and log off real quick, probably the database didn't get updated. You need to be, I think there's a time in one of the script. I am not sure which one is it. It's either, I think there's the ES MySQL plugin or something. That's the one that talk back to the server, like saving the player's position and all the, like, this one that gets updated. I will have him like make sure if he create it, log in and stay log in for a little bit. Let that database create all his stuff and save positions and. But you should be able to find it by the name or the Steam name or like find it with the first name or last name, depends. There you go. So did I think it's, yeah, it's finished. Okay, got it. Let's go log in. We're gonna go ahead and see if
Welcome to
the changes are
5MServers.com.
fixed, and then we're gonna go to the next one. Let me see. It's not too long. I mean, it doesn't take like a lot. It's just at least get to buy something and like put it on the, has something in the inventory. Just do something to make it connect to the database and update real quick. Because I think is it there? I actually think it's in the, even the TX admin. I think. Let me double check that. Oh, there you go. See? Minimum session time. So to make it quick, just have like buy something from the store or like whatever, put a tattoo or something, like something that it will make connect to the database faster. Yeah. So see, now I have, see, I don't have that word related options anymore. So I don't have that. That talking, the voice also is not there. And if I click my equal sign on the key, on, there you go. I got my no clip shortcut. There you go. See? Wepa mama, que es la que hay. So ay, qué lindo perrito. There you go. All right. So we got the flickering B menu thing done. That will depend how you want it. If you either want to use VSync or you want to use the weather from the V menu. That will be your choice. All right. All right, about that mouse thing, yeah, we'll have to double check on that then. But yeah, medics, just have somebody else, and if they tell you that it's good on their side, then probably it's your computer. If they have the same thing, then we have to look, see what error or what is causing it. But right now I have had no problem so far, so yeah, just try to create a character again. Just make sure, just try to create a new slot or a new character. Just make sure that you can try to find it somewhere and double check. Entonces, dale, está bien. Okay. Pam, pam, pam. So yeah, we got that. Let's go. Let me go to the police. Let me go to the popo. Oh, no problem, man. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. You know, anything I can help, just let me know. Oh. All right. Did I set that? Job. One police. Police 4. All right. Let me see what's going on. Soft and cuff. Okay. All right. Okay. I don't have no vehicles. Vehicle shop. Got a Charger right here. Range Rover. Ford Explorer. Oh, I like this one. This one probably need extras. This one need vehicle extras. And this one too need vehicle extras. Durango. Yep, this one needs vehicle extra. I took all my visual mods right now. So good. Punk! Man, thank you. Thank you for the tip, man. Really appreciate your support, bro. Alright. Let's see what we got here. So far, all these vehicles from 6.5 are working. Alright. This is my favorite. I love this one. This is the one I use in my server. Because I do the sheriff. Hey. Okay, mark. So far, all this one here, they're working. I had to test them, see if they run, how they run. Oh my. I like this one. Rayo, topa, this parece es like diesel or something. I have this one. I love this one too. One of my favorite. There you go. And they start out again. Okay. Oh, I saw like a van somewhere. Did I? All right, let's go and buy one. Make sure the dealership script actually works also. Let me go with the Tahoe. I like it. All right. Buy this vehicle. Yes. All right. He let me buy it. So far, so good. Open garage. Stored. Bam. There you go. It's working so far. Okay, let me see what was the issue that they announced that there were some issues. Let me double check what it is, because I kind of don't remember that person. So let me see. Oh. All right, so let me go ahead and let me go here and see on the announcements. I'm not here. It will be here. Oh, okay. So the issue is that police officers could only cough on the fire menu wheel. So this is actually, I prefer to do it here than on the F6. Then police can now use exit to cough, escort, okay, etc. Just swap your police for the new one. Okay. All right. Okay. So it's because when you go here and go citizen interaction, it's not let you use this cough uncuff. I think that's what it is. That was the problem. I would need somebody in order to test it, but let me go. ¿Dónde está? Custom. Jobs. Where is jobs? Where is jobs? Jobs. Okay, jobs. Police right here. And police. And probably will be here on client and main the Lua. There you go. Cuff. Let's look for cuff. There you go, handcuff. It is right here. The soft cuff and the handcuff. And then you got the events right here. I'll have to test it. See if it works on mine or it don't. In my works, like right in my live server, the way I have it, I have them to cuff with the F5 to use the radial menu instead of the F6. But if anything, you guys need to get to see like this here, this function, this case function right here. So probably what it is that the handcuff here, TP police job. Oh, this one right here, you need to be double check against the actual. There you go. The police server, client, and animation. Oh, it's not in the radio. It's not on the radio on the menu. For real? All right, so go. So this is only on the F6 and not on only on the X6 and not on the F5. That's what it is. It's the other way around. All right, so let's go custom. I think it's custom, and then TP menu, configure here, right here. Yes, one moment. All right. So right here, probably this is where it lies the problem. I'll have to double check, but probably this cuff right here, it will need to change to the TP cuff. Oh, let me see that. Oh, TP handcuff. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it is the right one. Yeah, I'll have to double check on that one because I don't have nobody right now on the server to test it out. But anyways, apparently on the announcements, there's already there. So you just replace the actual script. You download the police RAR. And you just go ahead and replace it. You will go ahead, once you unzip it, you go on the jobs, go on police right here, and you're going to replace this one right here. What I advise you to do is rename this one like underscore old or whatever. In that way, when you replace the other one, if something goes wrong, you can take that one out and put this one back in. Then you just go ahead and rename it again. All right. That's the one thing I always do before I make any changes. I always rename first prior to, like, I don't delete nothing until I'm sure that what I'm replacing is working. Okay. Let me see. Oh, there was something else that I saw. Let me double check where I saw it. It was in one of the let me see what else. I'm just going through the support page. The maybe some of the issues that people might have. I'll get to show them here. I saw one earlier and I was supposed to do it and I totally forgot. Okay. Okay, I see right here. Okay. I just saw something here. Let me see. I have not missed any other question from the chat because I want to make sure that the question that you guys have, I can answer those. But all right, so did I explain about the inventory? All right, let me talk about the inventory real quick because I think a few people. Oh, I don't even have all right. There's a few people that sometimes have issues with the inventory. Sometimes it happens when you're in the inventory and by any there's like a restart or something that you get stuck with the inventory right here. When you log in, sometimes you're not gonna have access to your inventory. When you open it, you're not gonna get to see anything. The way you fix that is, I think I talked about that earlier, but you go on your user, find the identifier or that particular user that have issues, and then you go on to that disk inventory. Right here, find the Steam ID, and then whatever it has, because this is what they have right now, okay? But if somebody don't have anything, probably will have these brackets, these other brackets. You want the more square brackets. I don't know what's the name of these ones, but you want the other ones. You want to use the shift. No, not the shift. The other one. Let me see. Oh yeah, you want to use this one, not using the shift, and then those brackets on the with the shift. Okay, don't hold shift. You want the regular ones, the one that look more like a square. And after that, then they have that person to log back in. They need to be logged off too. All right. I saw something about somebody have issues. Apparently, some cars don't have sound. Let me go to the dealership and see if I can see any of them. Because apparently some of the cars don't have any sound. I mean, he didn't put any of them listed, but let's go ahead and I'll show you what to look for. So let me go on to cars, and then let's go here in cars, and we can pick any car, it doesn't matter. So data. All right, let's go on the vehicle. Is it the vehicle? Let me see. There you go. Yep. Okay, so you go into that any particular car, it don't matter which car it is, that don't have, like, whatever car you have issues with the sound. Oh, actually, you know what, let's go ahead and do one for practice. Anyways, let's go get this Chiron car. This is the name of it, 2017 Chiron. That's the Bugatti or something. Let me see. Car. That one even turn on? Oh, it's not. Let me see. That one didn't work. Let me get that Tahoe actually. Car Tahoe. What is the name of that Tahoe? That just the one from police. Let me see. Where is the police cars? Is it on the police? I think it's on the police menu, which is I'll prefer. Let me see. Jobs. All right, police. Let me see what is the name of that Tahoe. I want config. This is all the spawn points for the different police stations. This is your coordinates. This is the weapons that each rank will have access to. But we don't using this. We're using that disk inventory armory, which is right here. And is this inventory hood. Go down config, find police. There you go. This is the ones that everyone have access that has that police job. Okay, right here, MRPD. Armory in the FBI. Armory in Palito. So this is all your stores, your stashes, everything right here. If you guys want something specific, just let me know. That had to do with inventory and the stores and stuff. Let me go back to here, the config file on the look for the cars. Okay, charger, rubber, Voltajo. Oh, you go. This one right here. Let me look for it, see, because I'm not sure where it's located. Oh, car pack, PRP police car. Okay, there it is. There it is, the baby. Okay. So it is in. There you go. Here. It has some audios there, but let me go. I want to go simple. Let me find the name. Volta. Ooh. Okay, let me see if you guys can hear it, because to make sure. So, can you hear how it sounds? Right? Let's go ahead and change the audio. And this is gonna be the same thing for any other car. So if a car don't have an audio, all you have to do is just go into that config file, change the audio, find an audio that you like, and just put it in, replace it. That's all. Not something really simple. Let me go here. So I gotta go in that vehicle.meta or that particular. Here I'll find all. There you go. I find that model name, and I have to look for that audio hash. There you go. This right here. Let me put it on the chat. This is what you're gonna look for on that vehicle.meta file in any car, right? Right now it has a Ballard 3 sound. So if I take this car out, see, it has the same. See? The same sound. So some cars don't have any sound. It's because probably the sound is not even valid, or it's not there, or it's just not recognized. So you just find any other sound. Let me see. Let's see what we can. Let me see what we can have. What was the name of that thing? The name of that. Hold on. I gotta look on my. Let's go ahead and find something real quick again. Oh, and I know another thing that I'm gonna show you guys also. This is gonna help you a lot. Here. Yep. All right, so I'm gonna take this car. No, what is it? Let me see what is this. So you see this? See how does it sound? So le voy a poner the sound of this. I'm gonna pull the sound of this one in my police Tahoe. So if I will look for that audio, you just look for whatever cars you want. You go on the vehicle.meta and find the audio hash. In this case, I'm gonna have the B type 2. So what it says Ballard 3, I'm just gonna have B type 2. Right. B type, and it has to be right. You have to make sure it is right good, because otherwise it might give you issues. I'm gonna save it. There you go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna delete this from the cache, the police cars. I will not restart. Don't restart any cars, especially when they're spawned, because otherwise you're gonna crash everybody within the server. So I'm gonna get out. I don't wanna mess my things up. Gonna go here, here, PRP cars. Here, delete just that. Then go ahead, come back here, click restart, and okay. We let it run. Then we'll pull that car again, and it should have that new sound. So if there's a car that don't have no audio in it, just find an audio that works, and whatever car you like, whatever sound you like, and just put it in that audio hash in the vehicle.meta. So we got that, and let me log in so we can pull that car, make sure it took the changes and there's no issues, no crashes or anything. All right, let's go local right here.
Welcome to
Right now,
FivemServers.com.
what I'm showing you guys is basic stuff, basic maintenance stuff that you guys can do to your server. Let me go ahead and once that load, I'm gonna show you guys another thing. Oh, well, it's loading already. And this one is one of my favorite one. Yes, it does take time, but it's worth it. And I'm talking about give vehicle names. So you get to see what type of vehicle, and you know, you don't see that null type. So car porta. See? There you go. That's the new sound. So if it didn't have anything, just go ahead and change it. That's all. And then it will work. All right? Too easy. Now, let me go ahead and show you one more thing. Especially, let me go to the police station. This is one other thing that you guys can do, like with, there you go. Let's go here, vehicle actions. If I click on E and go on my garage, you see at the bottom, kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can, you know, it's kind of hard to see, but at the bottom it has the tags of that car, and it says NULL. No, so I don't know which car it is. Like right now, yeah, I know it's a Tahoe, because I only have one. But what if I have 6, 7? Then I'm not gonna be able to tell which one is it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy another one. There you go. Let me go buy that Camaro. Want to buy this vehicle? Yes. So open garage. See, both are null. So let's go and fix that. All those cars I think are here. Let me see. No, Camaro is not here, but it don't matter. What I'm going to do is, I know Polta is here. There you go. I know this one is in here, so I'm gonna create a file that it will add the name of it. That way I can recognize it. You can do this with every single car, especially add-on cars that don't include that regular name, because if you're using like a different name that if you're not doing a replacement, the game is not gonna know what is the name of the car unless you actually add it to it. So right now I don't have that file here, so we're gonna add a file. So let's go ahead and go into here in the vehicle build. Let's go resource, customs, cars and maps, go in cars. And now I'm gonna go in, where is it? Car pack. Okay, let me go here. Let me go car pack. And I'm gonna go what it says, police cars. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it right here. You guys can do it anywhere you want. And there's a few things we need to do. Let me go ahead and bring that other one, a cheat sheet that I have. Where is it? There you go. Perfect. We go here. You guys don't see it because I'm in a different window, but you guys gonna get to see it in a moment. Bikes. So cars, bikes and bikes. Okay. So what you guys have to do is just create a file. And then the name is going to be here, in here. This is the name you're gonna give it. It's going to be vehicle underscore names dot Lua. All right, that's the name you're gonna give it. Let me go in police cars, and then I'm gonna go on the file. All right. So in the file, there's a function that you're gonna run. It's right here. There's plenty of examples. If you guys want this, I'll post it, or just DM me and I'll send it to you, and that way you guys can use this as a guide. You can have one file, you can have 20 files, however you guys want it, but you need to put it in one of the car folders, right? So the way I do it, like right now, I can delete all this. We're only going to add 2 for now. This is just for training purposes, right? So at this point, what I want to add was that pota thing. This one. I'm gonna copy that model name. It has to be the model name of the actual vehicle. However you use, when you use that /car and the name, whatever is the name for the spawn the vehicle, that's the one that you're gonna use. So right here, I'm gonna replace this. And then here, this is gonna put the description. Police Tahoe. I'm gonna put sheriff also. There you go. What was that other vehicle that I bought? I don't even remember. Let me see. Oh, Camaro. Okay. Let me see. I don't even know what was the name of it. Okay, so let me go back here in police. I need to find the name of that Camaro because I'm not sure. So let me go here on police. All right, let me see. How many Camaros are? Hopefully I get to have the right one. Code 3 Camaro. All right, let me see. Car. It looks like it. Yeah, it's the same. It's just different livery. Let me see. I'm pretty sure it's just a different livery. Yes. Perfect. My daughter. Yeah, hold on. Hold on, after I finish here. Sometimes when you use that V menu and nothing, like all the stuff they don't appear, you go on your vehicle options and then just click repair. And then it should be able to, did I go into first? There you go. I enable everything, but like if part of the stuff don't appear when it should be, just click repair and then it'll pop up. Like right now, this is the whole thing. Oh shit, it looks. I don't like those spotlights. I'll take them out, but anyways, we already have the car. So it's the code 3. This one. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go in that vehicle name. I'm gonna go here. Put that name of the spawn vehicle, right? And then I'm gonna here put police Camaro. Yes. There you go. Police Camaro. All right. And then I'm gonna go ahead and click save. There you go. And then you gotta make sure that this vehicle name.lua, it gets called in the resource.lua. It needs to be called. All right. So you go on your resource and then you go and do a client script because that's a Lua file. All right. There you go. Client script, brackets, vehicle names.lua. This right here, it has to be the same as here. All right. There you go. We'll save it. Perfect. Because it talk about, because there are cars and we're messing with the resource.lua, I'll restart the whole thing because sometimes some cars, it will create crashes on the server, especially if there's a car that is spawned already. Hablando de problemas de conocimiento, eso es viejo, eso ya está arreglado. There you go. We go up. Eso es para el server de nosotros. Esto es something else. Go, let's go localhost.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
Go. So if you guys want that, that example and use that, DM me. No, I'll send it to you. It's just one file. And then after this, then I mean, you can have only one, and you can add, even if the other cars are like in different folders, you can only have one, and you just keep, you know, keep adding this text right here, just however many you're gonna have. Or you can go ahead and have, like, the way I have it in mind is like I have it by the cars already by brand, or like by type. I have JDM cars. I have all the JDM names in there, or you can have it by brand, Toyota, Ford, and have like police cars in one. You can create another one for EMS, another one for mechanic. Like, it will depend how you want to do it. You just make sure that they don't repeat, like, whatever name, like, just make sure you don't repeat the car spawn name in another one, because you're gonna have issues. All right, let me go here. Now, when I go and open the garage, I'm gonna go open my garage. And now you see what it says: Police Tahoe Sheriff and Police Camaro. Now you get to see what type of car it is, so you can have, like, you know what it is now. That way you don't have to be guessing. But again, you have to do it at, you have to do it for every single car that have that null option. Okay. So again, just let me know, DM me. You can, or you can just write on that support group on 5M. Put it in, hey, and I'll send it to you. Don't matter. That way you guys get to have that base. Don't have to be trying to read, because I know some of you might be watching this on the mobile phone, so I know some of this stuff I'm gonna be able to read through. I gotta find out a way how I can do zoom ins where I'm live. If somebody know how to do it, just let me know and help me out. That's a long time I don't make videos. I used to make videos before, a lot, like different content, but yeah. Let me see. I don't know what else, unless you guys have like another question. Then otherwise I will be ending the stream, and maybe I'll try to come back tomorrow. So if you guys have like more questions or things that you want me to show, DM me. You can send me a message on Discord, or just write it up on the on that support group in 5MServers. I'll look through it, and then I'll put it up here the way I did it today. So how are you guys learning anything about that medics problem? Yeah, let me know. If it's just you or something else. If it's something within the server, that's mean like everybody will have issues. Okay. If it's just one or two, then that means it's like an isolated, right? So right now we're still very basic in here, so I'm letting you guys decide what you want to do with the build. Okay, so I already show you guys how to add a few for those that have previous versions, how to add more maps. As far as my my server, my live server, La Capital, I will be updating the housing script soon. Probably, what is today's date? Today is Wednesday. Probably tomorrow or Friday, and I have it ready for Saturday. Then I have one house that I need to upload. That big, huge house. I think let me see if it's here. I think it's here also. I think the house come by default within this build. Yeah, there it is. The house that everybody the house that everybody is being fighting for. In my server, everyone wants this house. I mean, it's a really nice house. In this one, I need to make sure that I take I think there's like a crafting table in here. Nice. Oh, they took it out. Let me see. Did they took it out? Because otherwise I gotta take that crafting table out here too. This is a nice house. Does this one has a hole too? Let me see. Let me double check. I have one. Alright, let me see. See, in my server, there's a wall. There's like a hole in here. So there's like a texture that is conflicting. I'm not sure which one is it. I had to work on it and make sure that I seal the hole. But I'm not sure what it is, what is causing it. So anyways, I hope you guys been learning. Again, if you guys have any questions, just right over there. I'll see it on the 5M on 5M Discord. I'm here to help. Tomorrow, let me see at what time I can if I come and log in, if I'll do a live, I'll send you guys I will announce it in all the support pages within 5M. All right, so if anything, think about your questions. You guys will be here tomorrow. Just let me know, hit me up with questions, and I'll try to help you guys out. Up to the next one. Thank you for your support.